My name is Jesse Wright, and this is Lisa, my cutter. We own and manage the Titusville Mall that used to be Searstown Mall. Asphalt Kingdom was instrumental to get us connected with the U.S. asphalt maintenance, and they've done a great job. They're doing nearly about 20 acres or so.
Well, we appreciate Asphalt Kingdom hooking us up with our current company here. They're making a big difference in our mall. Our tenants are very happy with what they see happening, as well as our customers that are popping in and noticing the good work going on here at the mall.
We're going to be continuing to use Asphalt Kingdom in other projects, especially one in Jackson, Mississippi. We highly recommend Asphalt Kingdom to help you guys do what you need to do in terms of your sealing and striping your parking lot. So we're very, very grateful.